Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and I have a lot of beauty products and a lot of things to talk about. Talking about a couple of makeup products that I feel are highly underrated, and I just feel like I want to give these products a shining moment because I don't feel that other people are giving it that much importance, and they really do deserve it and they need to be given a shining moment of their own. So if you want to know all the products that I think are highly underrated and you need in your life, please keep watching. First up, I have the PAC Makeup Moisture Lotion. I know that they repackaged this and it comes in like a squeezy tube now instead of a pump, and I know this is actually a lot of people's favorite, but I just want to take a moment and tell you how much of an awesome product this is, especially for the winters. So I don't tend to use this in the summers because it can get a little oily in the summers for me, but especially in the winters I feel like this is such a makeup must have for me, because I will moisturize my skin and then wear a sunscreen, because I need, like in Dubai, it's just sun is just shining on top of your head whatever climate you're in. But after that I will go in with the PAC Makeup Moisture Lotion almost as a primer, and I feel it works beautifully as a primer because when I put like foundation and concealer and all of that on top of this, it just sits beautifully and it just blends into the skin very nicely. So I feel like this is a very underrated product. Like, people just kind of use it kabhi kabhi, acha theek hai types, but for me this is so important. And if you guys haven't tried this, please try it, and especially in the winters I feel like this is such an important step in your makeup routine that you will thank me later. Trust me, this is worth every penny. Next up, I have something for the lips, and that is honestly like chapstick or lip balm. I know that it might sound really basic AF for me to say this, but I know that I tend to skip chapstick quite a lot, even though I have one in my drawer, in my nightstand, in my purse and everything of that sort. But I feel like chapstick is just such an important beauty essential, and I have two to share with you guys. One is the Nivea Original, because I don't like the flavored ones for some reason. I know I'm really weird when I say this, because I know girls, they love flavored lip balms, and for me I just prefer something which has no scent and no nothing, no fanciness. And there are times wherein I will only just apply like Vaseline petroleum jelly all over my lips. I feel like if I have a flavored one, I'll tend to like lick the lip balm off, and if I have a clear one, I don't tend to do that. This is kind of a budget option for you guys, but if you want to feel a little more bougie, this is the MAC lip conditioner. This is what it looks like, and oh my goodness, especially in the winters, I would say invest into this because it is so freaking amazing. In the night, if you kind of just put this on and let it be, it is going to give you such beautiful plump lips in the morning. It's not even funny. And even before your makeup, because someone like me who applies liquid lipstick, like literally lives in liquid lipsticks, this is such an important step. And I feel a lot of times, I don't know about you guys, but me especially, I tend to skip a lip balm, and ever since I have started making a conscious effort of wearing a lip balm before my lipstick, or at least prepping my lips with a lip balm and then blotting it off and then going in with my liquid lipstick, it just lasts a long time. It makes my lips looking so much more plumper. It just, you look good, okay? Just, you look good. Just do it, damn girl. Just damn do it. Next up, I have lip liners, and I feel like a lot of us just tend to underrate the value of a good lip liner, but I have honestly understood what a big difference it makes to the way my lips look, and also the wear and tear of my lipstick once I wear a lip liner. By the lengths of these two, you can already tell how much I've loved these. This one is the PAC Color Lock Long Lasting Lip Liner in So Spicy. I feel like this is a perfect kind of nudie tone for any nude lipstick that I would like to wear. This is the Bella Washed lip liner in root beer. This is more of a muted nude, whereas this is more of a brownie nude, and I love using these two whenever I want to wear like a beautiful nude lip. And I feel a lot of us girls tend to go in for a nude or like a pinky nude for an everyday sort of a basis. And honestly, once I wear a lip liner versus when I do not wear a lip liner, my lipstick fades off so much more easily, and I tend to have like these butthole lips for some reason. But when I do wear a lip liner, I ensure that I not just line my lips but also fill in my entire lip with a lip liner and then go in with a lipstick or a liquid lipstick. I honestly, I forget once I have makeup on. I'm not someone who will keep like, oh, checking if my makeup is in place or my lipstick is in order. I'm not that high maintenance, so I like to know that once it is on, girl, it's on. Like, I don't really have to worry about it. So lip liners are so underrated but so essential. Next up is a nude eyeliner pencil, and let me tell you guys, I cannot leave my house without some nude eyeliner on my waterline. Like, ever since I discovered this, can you guys see what a big difference it makes to your eyes? Now I feel my eyes look a lot more woke and like out there and open, and nude pencils just have that magic effect of doing that to your eyes, and I feel like it is so underrated and it is so essential in everyone's everyday makeup bag also. And the one that I have here with me is the one by Rimmel. This is the Scandalized Eyes. This is not something very new, but I cannot. This is not something very new. I know that PAC also has a nude pencil that I think is very similar in formulation, though I haven't tried it. From what I see on social media, I feel it is very, very similar. So if you want like an alternative, you guys can try that one out. But yeah, like in my books, a nude eye pencil is everything. Last but definitely not the least, I really feel from the bottom of my heart and the heart of my bottom that these products are so supremely underrated, and I'm talking about setting sprays. Oh my goodness, I cannot even tell you guys like what the freaking hell I was doing in my life before I discovered setting sprays and the awesome job that they do for my makeup. I honestly have seen such a major game-changing moment happen in my life after I discovered setting sprays, and especially now that we are really into like highlighters and like glowy dewy skin, I feel setting sprays make all the difference in kind of removing all the powderiness off of your face, mixing and melting each of the products on your face into kind of more skin-like finish, and also elongating the longevity of your makeup and kind of giving it that finished look, you know. So I want to quickly talk about two of them here. This first is the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know how much I love this freaking thing. And I know that PAC came out with another one also recently. I haven't tried that one out, but I'm honestly so happy with this one that I'm like, pata nahi what else that will have, because I'm just so happy with this one. The spray on this is continuous. It is such a fine mist, and your highlight just looks so poppin' after you wear this. It's everything. Okay, everything. But quickly, I also want to mention this Alvadance Umbrella Mist. This is what it looks like. It's also said to be anti-fine dust. I don't know what that means, but this is actually like a Korean beauty product, and I got this off of the Korean beauty website that I spoke about last time. I think it's called K Secret Beauty. They actually have a physical store here in Dubai in Satwa and Karama, and they also have a online store. I will link it down below. And yeah, I'm loving Korean beauty products, and I'm not even kidding you guys. This has got some magical sorcery in it that once I apply this on my face, my makeup looks done even after like 6 or 8 hours of wearing it, which is so crazy for me, because after some time, you know, you can tell like, you know, your highlight is kind of fading off, or your like bronzer is a little off, but whenever I have used this, oh my goodness, my face literally looks like it doesn't need any touch up, and I love that because, like I said, I'm not someone, once my makeup is done, I don't like keep looking, oh, do I need touch up and stuff like that. Then I just don't want to be worried about what's on my face. Then I'm just like, yalla, go, like live your life. So for someone like me, this is godsend. And if you are in Dubai, please do check this one out. It is next level. It is game changing. It is everything. And if you are in India, just put 5 of these in your cart right away. Just go ahead and do it right now. I'm waiting. Go ahead. Also, I'm not sponsored by PAC to say this. I wish I was. PAC, if you're listening, hello. I wouldn't mind some PR, by the way, because I freaking love your products. So yes, that's about it. Those are all the products that I feel need a shining moment of their own, but are somewhere not getting the glory that they deserve. Leave your comments down below and let me know what you think about these products. Have you used these products, and if you think they are any good, let me know in the comments down below, and subscribe to my channel, because even though I've been gone for a while, I know that I will be back, and back with a bang, bitch. So subscribe right now, because what else you gonna do, right? So yes, that's it that I have to say for today, and like I always say, keep it bossy.